Wow, what a night. I think I just must have sold like 1,000 hamburgers by myself.
Yeah, I feel like a French fry myself, deep fried and ready for the bag. There was this one lady that must have changed her order 5 times after I punched it in. You know, how hard can it be? It's not like we got a hard menu.
You know, I've watched people stand back from the counter and read the menu back and forth, back and forth. I mean, duh, how many times have you been to Mickey D's?
Yeah. You know, I dropped a whole tray of cheeseburgers one time. It was dinner time and everything was really moving fast. I turned around with the tray in my hands and wham! Deidre hit the tray. Burgers everywhere. Of course, the customers didn't care whether I dropped them or not. They just expected to get their orders just as fast.
Did the manager know about it?
Did the manager know? Deidre was the manager. She acted like I was a complete idiot, dissed me, and sent me on the parking lot to pick up trash. Actually, she did me a favor. I'd rather be outside picking up paper than inside dealing with idiots like her. You know, I really hate it here. My dad says I need to have this job to learn what it's like in the real world. But let me tell you, my dad never worked at Mickey D's. He had it made. He went to work right after high school and has worked the same job ever since. He has a nice desk, a nice computer, and no one to bother him. I'd like to supersize that report, Mr. Harris.
I agree. It's stinky working here. Sometimes.
Sometimes? It stinks here all the time. You talk like you're new here or something.
No way. I've worked here for, wow, year and a half.
You've worked here a year and a half? I've worked here 6 months and it feels like 6 years.
Well, I don't plan on staying here. It's just I've met some really nice people here too.
Yeah? Like who?
Well, you for instance. And some others too.
Yeah, well, you know, you're alright too. But we're all here just because we need to be. As soon as I get my degree, I'm on the job hunt. I'm gonna get a nice paying job and get my own place and do the things I want to do.
I want that too, but I want my life to count for something more than just making money and spending it.
Mine will count for something. Me.
But don't you, I don't know, want to make a difference in the way things are?
Sure, but what's the use? I couldn't change things and no one would care if I could.
Well, maybe I won't be able to either, but I feel like I have to try. Hey, come on, we gotta get back to work.
You're right. Time to get back to the grease mine. Are you serious about this whole making a difference thing? Do you really think that you could change the way things are?
Maybe. With some help.
Okay, focus. I can't be spilling any more of these Fritos.
Wow, what a night. I think I must have just sold like 1,000 hamburgers by myself. Stop! Wow, what a night. I think I must have just sold like 1,000 hamburgers by myself.
Yeah, I feel like a French fry myself, deep fried and ready for the bag. I had this one lady, she must have changed her order 5 times after I put it in. You know, how hard can it be? It's not like we've got a hard menu.
You know, I've watched people stand back from the counter and read the menu back and forth, back and forth. I mean, duh, how many times have you been to Mickey D's?
Yeah. One time I dropped a whole tray of cheeseburgers. What are you doing? Oh, come on, I'm trying.
I'm just gonna look past you.
Well,
But not
I think
at
I'm
you.
trying to look interested, but I don't want to look like too expressive. So I'm just like, and so I was expecting.
That was not the face they made you.